Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this MCM model, MCM686S, in color code 615. It's a red silver color frame. On the temples here we have a silver MCM logo. And at the temple tip here we have a gold MCM logo. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the other side of the temple with the same MCM logo on the temple tip in gold and over here in silver. The lenses are a brown gradient color. The style of the frame is full rim square. Up here we have an MCM case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.